Hey, and welcome you guys. It's Thursday. And we are just here doing part 3 of these ornaments. I think I figured out what I wanted to do. So I think we're gonna be okay. If you have watched part 1 or part 2 in this ornament making, at first I thought, oh heck no. At second, I was like, wait, looking good. And then now on part 3, I know we're gonna be good. I know without a doubt we're gonna be good. A lot of you guys gave me some suggestions on what to do, but I honestly think that the golden ticket saved it. So I'm not quite ready to show you, but I do want to just do, I had these first, and then I was inspired by Debi Beard of Debi's Design Diary. Hi guys, hey, thanks for saying hello, and I appreciate you guys joining me. Hi. So I had this, which, you know, she did a video where she had flat ones. They were shaped like a diamond, they had flat surfaces, so you're able to use your putty knife and really apply the paint and layer texture and stuff. Well, I didn't quite do that. I just grabbed some that we weren't using anymore, and round is gonna be totally different. So I had to kind of shift and take on my own interpretation. So I added a whole bunch of DIY paint colors. Then I added some swooshes with my French tip, my little Frenchy brush, all different colors, mostly pastels. And at that point, in Debi's video, she sanded the ornaments and then she added a brown wax. Thank you, Maggie. I'm gonna talk about Little Miss Iris here in just a few minutes. So at that point, I just decided I didn't really want to do that. So I ended up coming in with Golden Ticket, and I'm feeling like it's pretty well saved the day. Hi Raylyn, it's pretty well saved the day. The Golden Ticket has really made them shine, and it's not so obvious that that's like a big, huge paint swipe. But then the other day I put white wax on it, and I put white wax over the Golden Ticket here. I think it's too bright. And it kind of took away the shine, and I don't like it as much. So now that I have all of these others, I like 3 of them, but she kind of stands out. The one that's got white wax, my white girl stands out. Do you see? I took away all the shine. So we're gonna add the gold back on. You cannot go wrong with Golden Ticket, so we're gonna add it back in. So, I loved your crafting. Oh girl, you better watch it. So this one has white wax on it. I'm gonna pretend I didn't do that because I needed to see if I was gonna prefer it, and I'm just gonna grab my Golden Ticket from DIY and it's gonna roll off the table and break. I'm gonna grab my Golden Ticket. I'll do that with you guys. But honestly, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. And frankly, I'm a little surprised. I'm a little surprised with how good they turned out, because on part 1, throw them in the trash. That was my thought. Whoop. I'm gonna have to get it together. Get back to my desk. Bam, there you are. Hey. Okay, Joan. So some of you have messaged me about Little Miss Iris, my puppet, and what exactly that will be. And so here's the thing. Back in September, well, gosh, for over a year, let's even go back further. 2 years ago, you wondered why E didn't use Golden Ticket on his. They look great. Thanks, Dee. Thanks, sister. So he should have used Golden Ticket. If he had found the Golden Ticket, he probably would have, but I try to like hide it like it's in the safe. Not really. But we'll put a little Golden Ticket on this. And so let's go back as far as Little Miss Iris goes. If you don't know what Little Miss Iris is, it's my new puppet. She's turquoise, she's Iris, so she's the turquoise Iris. So we're gonna team up, we're gonna make videos. Matt's gonna help me edit. New computer, new program, we're learning how to do it. You're gonna have to be patient with us, but we want it to be pretty professional looking, and so he's learning. And honestly, it was mostly his idea. So I sell a blue dresser to a lady in the Dallas area a couple years ago, and we ended up talking on the phone a few times, so I'm just gonna lightly go over this. We ended up talking on the phone a few times, and we actually tried to get together this past summer when we were there for baseball. but my schedule just didn't allow it. And come to find out, while I'm getting to know Michelle, she joins my Creative Connection, and she makes puppets. She started doing it. She's fairly new to it, but she's amazing at making puppets. And Matt and I were instantly like, we got to get one of those. How do we get one? Who needs that? Cammie? Who needs it? Like, we started going through like our nieces and nephews. We got to get one of those because our kids are too big. Well, these puppets are like life size, like from your waist up, right? And with that comes a nice price because they're custom made, so well made. The details that she designed in this, where the hands bend so she can grab paintbrushes, but I'm going to show her to you here in just a moment because she's sitting right here beside me. Okay. So we were just, you know, I've talked to Michelle several times on the phone. She's called me. I'm going to put the lid on this before I spill it because I'm having one of those afternoons where anything could go rolling off this table. So I was gone to boot camp in September, and in August, right before that, Matt and I had been talking, maybe we should get a puppet. Maybe we should just have her on lives with us. Maybe she should just, you know, hi Kathy. She could come on and do a live with me here and there, and she could paint. So I'm at boot camp, and Matt says, hey, I'm going to message your puppet friend and see if we can get the ball rolling on a puppet. And I'm saying, okay, go for it. So we changed our design a few times, but Michelle literally let us pick everything step by step. So what's going to happen, guys, as I wet the golden ticket, it's going to drip, and the undercolors are going to start showing through, and it's going to look more like this. Do you see? You can kind of see. Let's turn it back down. Whoop, wrong way. Okay. See, it's going to be more like that when it's dry. But when I added that white wax to it, it really subdued it. And I don't want anything subdued like that. Here's the other one. So they're just brush strokes, paint brush strokes. Better make her an apron. Maggie, I've got it. I've got the apron ready. So we got the ball rolling on the puppet. And Michelle says, absolutely, I will do that for you guys. We talked to her on the phone multiple times. Matt talks to her. And here she is. And so our thought was, we're gonna do different things online on YouTube. We're gonna paint, and we thought, why not make it a Saturday morning show? We're kids, and we just release it every Saturday morning. I think it's good. I think it's good. I can't decide if I need more, but I think I should just walk away. No, I'm gonna spray one more time. Yep, I lied. All right, let me hang it over here. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Aspen. She really is cute, and I'm gonna show her again. So the plan is we'll release a new video every Saturday morning around 8:30. Okay, so you guys can expect that for your kids, grandkids. We haven't figured out all the details, trust me. We're kind of winging it, but it's one of those, just go. Like, what are you waiting on? Just go. I'm working on a theme song, having it made from somebody that I know personally. Oh, what is the problem? I know the problem. My boot's hooked around the cord. Lordy mercy. It's like a wintry blizzard outside, and I've got on my heavy-duty boots. Oh, it's not live? Jennifer, it will not be live because I don't want to get up that early every Saturday. It will not be live. It's going to be totally pre-recorded and edited. Not live. So I can actually schedule it on Fridays, and if I want to sleep in, it's released at 8:30. Not going to live. It's not going to be a live video on YouTube. We're going to edit it. We're going to have, well, it's going to be more like a little show, right? And I suspect with a puppet, there will be some issues that have to be edited out, right? So let me show you little Miss Iris so you know who I'm talking about. Hang tight. wasn't planning on showing you, but since she's here. Okay, so we debated on her name, and she's so cute. She's so cute. Yes. So she's turquoise, and her name is Iris, and so she's the turquoise Iris. So we're twins. Don't we look like twins? So just be patient with us, you guys. What we're going to end up doing is we're going to just paint. We're going to do projects. I'm hoping that I can kind of teach a little bit of something. I'm kind of targeting my audience on like an 8-year-old, like a 6 to 8-year-old is what my target audience will be. And oh, Bridget, I absolutely love her too. I remember your interview in the group with Michelle. She is so talented. I know. Michelle is fantastic. And so she put together this little headband for her. And we have an iris flower in her hair. We also have several different flowers that can be added. But we got to pick her cowgirl coral nose. We got to pick every single thing on her. She made her hands twist so they can actually hold something. And I feel like her hands are going to be messing with me all the time. Like yeah, okay. Yeah. Hopefully we're going to keep paint off of her, but I do have a apron for her. And don't expect it this Saturday. You might be able to expect it next Saturday, but we're going to see. Like I said, we're really trying to take it slow and learn the new program that we're working with and really make it look like professional videos. So be patient with us. I love all of your support and encouragement. You guys were so awesome. All of the messages and everything that we received. So it's a little bit off the beaten path for me, but I really wanted to do something geared towards kids. And with Michelle being a friend of mine and a puppet maker, everything just kind of fell into place. It was like, we're going to give this a shot. Oh, good, Heather. I hope your granddaughters love her. I mean, look at her. She's awesome. Look at her. It's a heart. Isn't she gorgeous? And so we can change out her headband, we can change her flowers, we can put things around her. Matt said we should put a scarf around her because it's chilly outside. But she's gonna be my little assistant. We'll do some finger painting, with DIY paint, and I've been finger painting with it now for over a year. And I just figured, gosh, let's do something more. Let's do something more. So I just wanted to pop on here and show you the ornaments. I'm gonna put her up, because I want to show you how that's already changed, that ornament. What can't you do? So talented. Oh, Raylynn, honey, grab a pen, and I'm going to tell you all the things I cannot do. I cannot do cartwheels like I used to. Right? So many things. I love this idea. It's going to be great. Everything you touch is gold. Turquoise. Oh, you're so nice to me, girl. No. Everything doesn't, no. Like these a few days ago, I was thinking, oh, heck no. What's happening here? Hi, Susan. Mothers of sons will find their girls. That's right. That's right. I've got boys, and so I've showed the puppet. I finally revealed the puppet to Elijah. I got like this. Look. I'm not helping. Yes, Raylynn, I used to do them. I used to do all kinds of cartwheels. But there's a lot of things I can't do. But I will give it a shot. So guys, this is just a, we're going to try it out. It's something that Matt and I are working on together. Again, it was an ideas that we just kind of played off of each other one by one. Like, how about this, and how about this, and how about this? And it's going to evolve and change into something else. But we're going to do story time. We're going to talk about different artists that are, famous and in our books. But we're going to try to keep it, 8 and under is what our geared audience is going to be. It will probably be 15 to 20 minutes at the most. And anyway, we're just really looking forward to it. And I woke up at 3 a.m. with anxiety going, what am I doing? What are you doing? This can't be right. And then I thought, wait a minute, I'm not doing it alone. Matt's with me. Matt's helping me. Matt's doing it. So I think it'll be fun. So if we get, if we're having a good time and we get the support and we have one viewer, we're golden. We're golden. It may be my niece and my nephew, but we're golden. That's all I need, right? So anyway, just stay tuned. It won't be this Saturday. We're hoping for next Saturday, which I think is the 20th, maybe. We're hoping that will be the first one. If not, it'll be the one after that. Again, we're trying to make it as professional as possible. For us, it will evolve, but welcome, little Miss Iris. Thank you for the support that you are showing and giving me all that encouragement. It is a little out of my wheelhouse, although I've done puppet shows many, many years ago. It's a little out of my wheelhouse, but I think it'll be something fun, especially for Matt and I to do together. So thank you, Heather. I so appreciate it. Hi, Kelly. Hope you guys can watch the playback if you've been on here. If you're just now popping on, I just showed Little Miss Iris, and I also showed these ornaments. Part 3, I'm done. I'm not touching these suckers. It's still dripping, but it definitely looks better. I definitely like it better with the golden ticket. Golden ticket fixes everything, all things. Yeah, I have some. I have some for sale if you need some. What? Too much. Too much. All right. So I guess that's it. Day 74, 5, whatever day it is. I don't know, but I know that I've got like very few left. See, you're just reviving a natural talent. Oh, thanks, Susan. When the boys were little, I daydreamed about having a bookstore, children's. I had it all planned out. I was going to contact all of the elementary schools, and I was going to have art shows. So all the art teachers would give me all of their art, and I'd hang them on the wall, and we would have a story time and an art showing where they would invite their parents, and it would be like a gallery. And I would do story time, and we would have puppets, and we would just have all the things. And that was when my kids were little, because that was the season that I was in, right? Like I was reading every night. Matt and I were it was all about, my nephews were coming over, and we were all doing, no, Leah, that's what I was just saying. I will not be ready this Saturday. But when I do, you guys are going to hear all about it when we're ready to release. Maybe she needs coloring pages for her young fans to download. It's going to be, oh, thanks you guys. No, I'm going to need a little bit more time. I just kind of wanted to put it out there and just let you know what we've been working on. But that was something a dream that I had for years. And as the boys got older, no more reading, and my season changed. Anyway, it's just something that's been really, really fun to think about and to plan. And so tune in. I will promise you, I will update you guys when the first video is ready. I will be promoting it all to you guys, and we'll probably even do a live, because guess what, it's still going to be December, and it's still going to be my daily lives. So have a great evening. It's Thursday. We've got basketball. We're about to head out in just a little bit, and I will be back tomorrow. It'll be Friday for Friday Night Live. It's going to be a real downer coming from our Friday Night Live celebration last week. Yes, Susan, I was obsessed with that movie. I was obsessed with that movie, Susan. But no, it's not really going to be a downer. But Q and I will be working on something. I'm hoping she has a voice, because she's had laryngitis off and on for 2 weeks. So let's hope that Q has her voice back tomorrow, so we can at least hear her, because Matt's not going to be with her to word for her, to speak for her. So anyway, you guys, please join us back tomorrow night at 8:30 p.m. Central Time, and I will see you then. Have a great night.